guys, Miss Charlie here with another 2 Looks 1 palette using the Oden'S Merry Christmas palette. I did not get this last year. I got the Christmas Eve palette and I did do 2 looks. I will link those below. And then I went ahead and picked this up because they brought it back in stock for this season. So I went ahead and picked it up so it can, got to keep the set together. But the other one this one had sold out, but I got the Christmas Eve. So the Merry Christmas palette is beautiful. Let me bring out the other one so you can see it. So here is the Christmas Eve palette, more blue there. The outsides are beautiful. The sleeves are holographic. They're both like that. And the actual palette, and it is a little bit raised. But this is the Christmas Eve one. It's more blues, purples, dark colors. I really enjoy this and using it. And again, I'll link the 2 looks that I did with this, and I've also used it since then on different posts on Instagram, so make sure you are following me there. And then the Merry Christmas, which is more reds, and again, it's the holographic sleeve as well as the package, and that's what she looks like. A little bit more lighter red, burgundy, orange, more grungier greens, because one of the looks that I did is a little bit more grungier with these greens, which I really enjoyed. This color here, e.l.f. Wish, looks like it is green, but it is not, which was a surprise, but it's beautiful nonetheless. I will have swatches of both of these palettes here for you to see, but I'm doing 2 looks with this, and let me know your thoughts. Did you pick this up? Did you already have them? How do you like the Oden'S formula? I really like their formula. I like their multi-chromes and dual chromes in some of their palettes. I have the SOLMANE 2, I have the Hella, and the 2 Halloween palettes that Angie came out with, so all 3 of those. So those are the Oden'S palettes that I have currently, and I'm enjoying them all. So I thank you so much for being here and watching. I'm going to go ahead and show you the 2 looks. Again, I'll leave everything down below. I will link the palettes if they are available down below as well, so you can check them out to see if it's something you're interested in. And my 2 looks using the Christmas Eve. I also have a look using this SOLMANE and the Halloween ones and the Hella. All will be linked below. Again, thanks so much for coming. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And let's get on with these looks.